Now we're going to take a look at how to decide the chemical formula based on the given chemical name. The process is exactly the same as ionic bonding. You start with the given name of the compound and you match it with the symbols and the charges. You crisscross your superscripts to your subscripts, and then you see if you need to simplify. We're going to look at the first example that consists of calcium phosphate. So for calcium phosphates, we note that calcium is the element of Ca, and phosphate ends in an ate, so phosphate is a polyatomic ion. Calcium and phosphate are both fixed charges. Calcium is found in group 2. It has always a charge of 2+. Phosphate, we know polyatomic ions are fixed charges, and those ones you kind of need to memorize, is that phosphate has a charge of -3. We then do what we have done before. Like always, we crisscross our superscripts to our subscripts. So our calcium and our phosphates, the subscript and the superscripts then crisscross. We see that I've added a parentheses to the phosphate, and that is because we consider phosphate as one unit. So we want to differentiate that from the calcium, so we add a parentheses here. And then we see if we need to simplify. In this case, we have 3 calciums and 2 phosphates, and there really is no way to simplify this down into any simpler whole numbers. So you end up with calcium, 3 calciums, and 2 units of phosphate.